Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model, OS, and whether the carrier restricts band selection. This matters because not all devices expose 5G controls. Once done, make a quick backup of network settings and ensure battery is above 30% so updates won't interrupt. Now open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections, and tap Mobile Network. You're in the right place to change preferred network type. Avoid Wi-Fi calling toggles for now and focus on the mobile connection options. You now pick the actual 5G mode. In preferred network type, select 5G or 5G/4G auto. This lets the phone use 5G when available and fall back when not. If 5G options are missing, enable developer options and look for mobile network overrides or install your carrier's app to expose settings. Apply the change and wait a moment. The radio restarts. Then check the status bar for the 5G icon and run a speed test to verify you're getting higher throughput and lower latency. You finish by forcing a clean reconnection. Toggle airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds and turn it off so the radio re-registers with the tower. Make sure APN and carrier provisioning are correct. Sometimes carriers push a settings update you must accept. If 5G still fails, swap the SIM into a known 5G phone or test your SIM in another device. If that isolates the issue, contact carrier support. If nothing works, consider a factory reset only after saving data and consulting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.